In other news, tensions rise in the West Philippine Sea after a Chinese warship collided with a Philippine Coast Guard vessel and a Chinese jet approached a PCG aircraft. Philippine officials stress diplomacy and law enforcement as the country continues to assert its maritime rights. Patrick De Jesus reports.
A warship of China's People's Liberation Army Navy joined the chase of a Philippine Coast Guard vessel in Scarborough Shoal before it collided with a China Coast Guard vessel. Just days later, a Chinese jet fighter circled around a PCG Cessna Caravan during an MDA flight. Despite these incidents, the Philippines will continue to assert its rights in the West Philippine Sea in a manner wherein the country will not be the one to start a conflict. According to National Security Advisor Eduardo Año, it is not yet time for the armed forces of the Philippines to take the lead in operations in Bajo de Masinloc, and this will remain under the law enforcement mandate of the PCG and BIFAR. Año also hopes that tensions will not escalate further, stressing that diplomacy remains a priority in resolving maritime disputes. The Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA maintained that the Philippines has no liability over the collision of the two Chinese ships in Scarborough Shoal. The DFA also reminded that China should pay for the damage to Philippine equipment during the June 17, 2024 incident at Ayungin Shoal, as well as the return of firearms and items that were illegally seized. The PCG deployed the BRP Cape San Agustin to monitor and drive away a China Coast Guard vessel with bow number 3306. It was last sighted 58 nautical miles from Capones Point, Zambales, still far from Manila Bay.
For so many months since January, the China Coast Guard are also being deployed, not just in Bajo de Masinloc, starting this year. They are also trying to normalize their presence off the coast of Zambales and even Pangasinan, and I think even in Ilocos. So that is the reason why we are constantly deploying Coast Guard vessel to make sure that the China Coast Guard will never normalize such deployment in other coastal provinces.
4 China Coast Guard ships are currently in the vicinity of Bajo de Masinloc. Meanwhile, a Chinese research vessel, Jiangyang Hongten, was also monitored. According to a security analyst, the illegal presence of China is expected to continue or even become more aggressive.
Dahil nga napahiya sila nung nakaraan doon sa clash ng dalawang barko nila, particularly warship and Coast Guard vessel, naturally, really need to show to the world na malakas pa rin sila.
The China Coast Guard vessel and PLA Navy warship involved in the collision are now heading back to mainland China.
These vessels are not proceeding to those reclaimed islands ng China na usually ginagamit nila for logistical run. These two vessels are directly proceeding to mainland China. It is sailing on its own. It is escorted by China Coast Guard vessel and also some Chinese maritime militia.
Meanwhile, a fisherman recovered debris from a Chinese rocket with markings Long March 7A off the coast of Sitio Gunting, Barangay Bonbon in Looc, Occidental Mindoro. It measures 14 feet long and 10 feet wide. It has been turned over to the PCG for proper custody. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.